Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video will be about the PMP certification application. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will be going through Apply for Exam topic, after which we will see Taking the Exam. Then we will go on to see the various benefits of PMP, and then we will decode the PMP exam. Topic 1. Apply for the exam. You can apply for the PMP exam by registering on the PMI's website. You will have to provide some basic information about the education and professional experience. Based on the details provided, PMI will decide whether to approve your profile. If you're approved, you can pay the exam fee and schedule a test. Keep in mind that you're eligible to appear for the PMP exam only for a year from the date of your application is approved. You are allowed to take the exam thrice during this period. If you don't take the exam within a year, you'll have to reapply. Prepare for the PMP certification exam. After you registered, you need to start training for the PMP exam. You can choose any of the methods we mentioned in our earlier videos to train yourself for the PMP certification exam. This would take you months depending on your pace. Make sure you find the method that works the best for you. Topic 2. Taking the exam. PMI gives candidates the flexibility to take the exam from anywhere they want. You can choose to give the online proctored exam or the paper-based exam at a test center near you. You should ideally reach half an hour earlier at the test center. Make sure you bring your government-issued ID with you. The ID should include your photograph. You'll get your results by the end of the computer-based test. You can take a look at some of the prototype questions published by the PMI. Earning the PMP certification is a big deal, but it doesn't end there. The certification is valid for 3 years and you'll have to renew it every 3 years. You can do that by earning the PDUs or the Professional Development Units. A PDU indicates every hour that you've spent volunteering, teaching, or learning about project management. To renew your PMP certification, you'll need to earn 60 PDUs over a period of 3 years. You can log into your PMI's continuing certification requirement system and report your PDUs. Next topic, Benefits of PMP. Earning a PMP certification takes a good deal of work, and it's fair for you to wonder if all that hard work is truly worth it. In the long run, just how beneficial a PMP certification will be to you depends on where you are in life and where you want to go. Let's break it down for you. If you want to prove or validate your knowledge of project management to your clients or employers, the PMP certification will do the job for you. The PMP certification is the industry standard and the globally recognized one. While preparing for the exam, you'll study everything about project management. You'll spend hours perfecting your fundamentals and trainings. All of this will contribute to making you a better project manager. A survey by the PMI showed that people with PMP certification earn 16% higher median salary than those without it. The longer an individual holds a PMP certification, the higher their salary. A report by the PC Magazine ranked PMP 7th on their list of the highest paying IT certifications. According to the pay scale, an average annual salary for the PMP certification holders is €55,000. Pay increases considerably as you gain experience and move up the ladder. According to another report published by the PMI, 87.7 million job openings will be created for the project management professionals by the year 2027. If the talent gap isn't dealt with, it could result in a loss of over €170 billion in the GDP. That means companies around the world are on the lookout for the skilled project management professionals and are willing to pay them good salaries. Decoding the PMP exam. Let's decode what's on the PMP exam according to the latest guidelines. There are 4 important details to remember. The exam will contain 180 questions. Candidates will have 230 minutes to finish the exam. 2 scheduled 10-minute breaks are provided for the candidates for sitting in the computer-based test, whereas there will be no breaks for the paper-based test. Question will be in the following formats: multiple choice, hot hour, fill in the blank, and multiple responses. The PMP exam tests the candidates with respect to different project environments and how they use the different project approaches. More than half of the questions test predictive project management approaches, and the rest of the questions test the candidates on agile or hybrid approaches. Thank you for watching. Did this video inspire you to advance your career in project management? Then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey to becoming a project management professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for courses such as the PMP Exam Prep Bootcamp, CAPM Exam Prep Bootcamp, PMI ACP Certification Training, and many more. Visit our website to get details about the courses. Get in touch with our consultants. Inquire now.